Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft, primarily used for data organization, analysis, and visualization. It allows users to store data in tabular form, perform calculations, create charts, use formulas, and manage large datasets efficiently. Key features of Microsoft Excel. 1. Spreadsheet layout. Data is stored in rows and columns, cells. Easy navigation using cell references, for example, A1, B2. 2. Formulas and functions perform mathematical, logical, statistical, and financial calculations. Examples: equals sum A1 colon A5, adds values. 3. Charts and graphs create visual representations like bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, etc. helpful for data visualization and trend analysis. 4. Pivot tables summarize, analyze, explore, and present large datasets. Useful for dynamic data reporting. 5. Data filtering and sorting. Quickly find or organize data by specific criteria, for example, alphabetically, numerically. 6. Conditional formatting automatically formats cells based on values, for example, highlight negative numbers in red. 7. Data validation. Restrict the type of data that can be entered into a cell, for example, only numbers or dates. 8. Macros and VBA, Visual Basic for applications. Automate repetitive tasks using recorded macros or custom VBA code. 9. Collaboration tools. Author in real time via OneDrive or SharePoint. Leave comments and track changes. 10. Importing and exporting data. Supports various formats, CSV, XML, text, etc. Import data from databases, websites, or external files. 11. Templates. Pre-designed templates for budgeting, invoicing, calendars, etc. 12. What-if analysis tools. Tools like GoalSeek, Scenario Manager, and data tables for forecasting. Call us, 1-800-891-3982.